This grey Box Westringia has been living in this creek now for almost a decade. Looking great, flowering every year, having nice clean foliage. It's got a lot bigger than growing in dry ground, like Monday Westringia also does. But grey box is more of a shrub, more of a ball type plant. But for it to grow this long, like close to a decade in wet feed, is unheard of for Westringia. Just shows you how tough this plant is. No wonder back in 2015 it won Plant of the Year in Australia. It really is an amazing plant. In a dry ground, it looks beautiful, making an absolute stunning hedge. But in this wet area, growing amongst these wetland plants, it's got Bomia articulata in front that only grows in wet feed. So for this to survive, it's unheard of. How or why it does it, we don't know. We just know that it does it.